to me, if your existing work stream is running fine with a bot with that hard-coded business logic or some kind of a soft-coded business logic, I would say just go with it, and like don't just force fit an agentic AI just for the cool tech aspect of it, right? But there are cases, I can at least quote like one of them where like agentic AI might be useful there. Again, you have to do cost benefit analysis. Like, are you getting the bang for the buck by replacing an RPA bot, which can almost cost you nil, versus compared to an agentic AI? Now, like it could cost you 10 times more than just using an LLM as a RAG-based chatbot, for instance. So this one particular example where I saw was, like again, when you think of a warehouse operations or like when you think of that supply chain cycle within a physical warehouse, like I talked about the customer order life cycle, right? Like the time when a customer places order, your stock shows up in your inbound all the way to the outbound. There, like your RPA can orchestrate it, right? Because it's actually going to do one step. Like say if you have 10 different steps, like in an order to cash, right? Order to cash is a very common workflow within the supply chain life cycle. And say like you have 10 different steps, your RPAs and bots can go fetch the information, put it somewhere else, then trigger the next step, so on and so forth. You can do it in Azure or like anywhere, right? Like there are UiPath kind of tools now to do that.